So I'm posting this very late because I don't have service here, but it is night one. It is currently, what is it? 11:18. This is our campfire. I made the campfire, by the way, but we had to put water in it no matter what to dry it out. But this is literally what it looks like. The creek is right there. It's very dark, very, very dark. It's a campsite. And then this is what it looks like without a light. Yep. There's our neighbors. And yeah, here we are. It's very cold, by the way. So I'm on the table. This is the campground in daylight. It's 10:20 right now. There's the kitchen. There's the dogs. Someone fell in the river, so, well, not like, it's very, very, very shallow. There's the campfire. I made a fire last night and I made it this morning. I'm very handy with the fire. If you ever need a camping fire, I'm your guy. And this is it. And there's the RV. We all slept in there last night. Day one full. Only day full, day one. Camping. Hike. It's beautiful.
Oh, yeah, let's do it carefully. You can try to do it. They are? Okay, you don't need to because it's cold for you.
Where are we?
Oh my god, where are we? The Los Padres National
Los Padres
Forest?
National Forest.
And the Reyes Campground.
Reyes Creek Campground. And it's very nice outside. Very peaceful. How do you like it so far?
It's really good actually. I thought it was gonna be burning hot, but like, it's really breezy.
It's like 30 degrees colder in every single part of the shade than the sun. It's amazing. So as you can see, there's a lot of tiny trails here. Walking. And there's a bee. I can technically go up there too, but they say go this way. I can hear them this way. We set up camp last night. I started the fire. I just remembered what I learned when we were camping as kids. It was great. Oh, and here comes the waterfall. Oh, it's pretty. I'm going to catch up to them because I'm hiding vlogging. But yeah, it's great. It's beautiful outside. It's about 75 right now, maybe 74. But let me show you this beautiful waterfall. It's small, but it's beautiful. Here's the waterfall. It's great. It's beautiful outside, and I love it. It's like Abbey Road, but for water.
Oh, yeah.
It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, so I changed shirts. It's not my Dodgers shirt. Apparently there are ducks ahead. Oh, I'm going to grab this so that we can use it for fire later. This is great. This. Since I'm the fire starter, call me Drew Barrymore. But look at this. Like, look at this path. It's great. I know I really shouldn't be recording and like not using my phone, but I want to document this. Besides, this is my second or my third full weekend, technically, like payday, where I do something. Oh, got a duck. Hold on.
real careful.
Yes.
It's
Safety first. More of the water.
Oh, that wasn't a single rock.
Beautiful. Look at that.
I can't look that far. It's explosive.
Yes. Here we are. And there we are. This, it's beautiful. We went up a hill and we just came back down here. So now we're going over here. It's very beautiful. I want to keep my hat backwards, but I need to keep it like this. I mean, yeah. You know what I mean. Anyway, we're walking. Sun's great, nature's great. The dog pooped in front of me. Oh, it's not just a boulder, it's a rock.
Go by her, Miss. Be careful.
Go by whom? It's worse than the pool.
How you doing?
I'm alright. I mean, I guess. I'll watch you guys play. I'll be referee. I will not. That one's on place. You put your weight on it, not bring your leg. Adele, will you pass this? Will you pass that to Adele?
And we're walking
You
back.
ever played Animal Crossing on me?
I did for like, I think a day, but I never really got into it. They're coming down the hill that I chose. Look at them. Good girls. Hi, Hannah. Hi, Maisie. Wait. Ooh. Look at that. Okay, I gotta grab this one. Look at that. And Christmas in July. No? Okay, just me. Right. Anyway, we're back.
Because the picture's closed, remember?
Anna.
Easy.
Can I zoom in? I can't. Whatever. Because I can't say it. I'm gonna sit for a little bit.
And there's people
Some
over
water.
there.
How would you say this day's going so far?
Swimmingly.
A. You?
It's alright.
Alright, everyone's gonna be taking a nap. We just had lunch. I'm gonna be resting. That's gonna be my project later tonight. Start the fire again. But I got my music. Oh my god. They are sleeping. Alright, got myself to cornhole. It's going down. Probably. I don't know. I haven't played in forever. I always have to drink when I play in order for me to win. We'll see.
Is it the chair? No. Is it her drink? No.
We're all just chilling. Cornhole. Hey, hold on. I'm documenting. Okay, so we finished our cornhole. We finished King's Cup, and we finished cornhole. So now I am gonna start the fire. So this is what I'm working with, pre-wood. I'm gonna make it light up like the 4th of July, or like Christmas, whatever falls in our stores was. All right, so I did it. Look at it. Look at it.
You want to get this more stuff?
Yes.
No! Take it out! I like the height.
I've been stuck in the house before. But
Clean tip. Look at that. Look at that booty. Look at that booty.
it's beautiful.
Look how beautiful this is. Look at this is the inside. Gooey, 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 pouring beautiful outside. Mmm.
It's kind of cool though, it's on fire though.
Do you want a big long one just smeared across?
Mm-hmm. That's the perfect marshmallow. Listen. I'm sorry, my hand. Last White Claw. Last White Claw. Last Mike's. Cheers to the weekend. Oh, alright. Oh, excuse me. It's 11:03. It is Saturday night. It's Saturday night. The fire is out. Fan is closed. Well, the door's open right here, but I got my melatonin. Got my flashlight right here. We're gonna go to bed soon. We had a lot to drink. We finished all the alcohol besides the vodka, but it's been a great day. Tomorrow I'm gonna put the fire on for breakfast, for coffee. Let's go. See you tomorrow. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Fire's starting. Oh my god, I slept with my pen on. Pretty well.
Can you fan it out?
We're leaving. Oh my god. Okay. Everything's packed. Look at that. Let's take a last look at the campery. Oh, that was ours. Yeah, I changed. How was your experience?
It was alright. It was good. I actually had a good time. Yes, please.
Stopping for a soda. Sitting on the toilet. That was Angelica earlier.
That was every.
Car broke down. LOL. I'm just kidding. No, we're just parked because we want to see if we're gonna eat somewhere.
Yeah.
That's my breakfast. Alright, everyone ate. I have a look at this. Look at this. It's really funny. Oh my god. Can I open it? Look at a whole meal. It's great. It's great. It's great. Sorry, I'm like backlit. Anyway, I'm gonna finish my coffee. And with that, guys, I am home. Very hot. It is, what, like 2 p.m.? It's 2:22. 2:22. I fed all the animals right now, and I brought all my stuff in. I am just going to shower and rest because I am so tired and exhausted. But it was a great trip. I'm excited to have this as a memory on video and in my heart. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.